We are headed to look at our land. First time we're gonna see it.
Yep, it's 4:12 Phoenix time.
And we're heading out.
I'll be there 10 o'clock tonight.
Let's see if we can make it in one shot.
All right, see you soon.
See you soon. So we're at a rest stop in New Mexico, and I just wanted to put this in the video. We took the battery operated generator with us, and I brought my heating pad, and we brought this inverter right here that normally works. It normally works to like convert energy, and I thought, oh, that would work for the heating pad. It didn't. So I plugged the heating pad. Let me show you. This is super cool. I plugged the heating pad into the battery operated generator, and she's working. So now I have a heating pad while I drive. Fantastic. Brewing coffee, and I have a heating pad. This is getting to be more and more worth it.
Let's say leaving.
Yep. Texas state line.
Squeeze them all together.
Texas welcomes you. We are in Amarillo. We've done a pretty good stretch. We are gonna keep going. It says that we're gonna get there probably about 3. I would say it's probably gonna be like first thing in the morning, just with everything we have going. We have to stop, get gas, go to the bathroom. And that's okay. I'm not trying to be in a super big rush. But I did want to take a second and just say how excited we are. This is like a dream come true, and this is a dream come true. And it just kind of seems surreal that we're on our way to see property that has our name on it. It's a true blessing. Super excited. We made it to Topeka all in one shot. Joe is in there getting a hotel right now. It's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning, Kansas time. I'm pretty spent. I'm really ready to just lay my head down. But I'm thankful we were able to make it all in one shot. That is a goal that was met. Awesome.
So we're at a festival in our new hometown. It's a lot of fun. A lot of really good people here. Lot to learn, lot to see, lot to do. Thought you'd like to check it out. Some driftwood. But it is pretty.
We are heading to the property for the first time. Tag and B from Life Done Free are taking us over there, and we've got some friends that are actually our neighbors. Their dad is coming over with a bush hog rotary cutter to help us clear out some grass so we would have a place to camp.
Super cool.
Super cool. So that's where we're headed right now. Take you along for the ride.
This is it right here. Fence. That's our little tree line.
There is our tree line.
We should be able to go in. Oh, there is a gate right across the way. That's the house.
does it feel
Still video. It feels awesome.
to finally see it?
It's great.
You got a fence, man. Look at that.
We gotta figure out.
You guys, it goes forever.
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 Look at that. Look at that view.
It's
Oh.
beautiful. Dude, and you got good fencing.
I know.
I'm
You
so
got good
stoked.
freaking
I
fencing.
was stoked about that.
And look, a little pen. You can already have animals.
I'm
You
kind
want us to bring chickens over tomorrow?
You need a cow.
Right now, my mom's like, maybe you should just
Can
take
you
them and
carry
leave
her
them with
across the
me.
threshold or something?
Is that what we did?
I think,
Big deal?
yes.
Oh yeah, this is a
All
big
right.
deal.
We do?
Oh yeah, this is a big deal.
Hang on, last time I did this, I farted.
That's right. All right, there we go.